Growing up, I knew Malcolm-Jamal Warner as Theo Huxtable. I was able to catch a little bit of Malcolm and Eddie too, but Theo is the character that stayed with me. But Malcolm was more than just Theo. He was an actor, musician, poet, director, and someone who clearly cared about the impact he had on people. One message from Malcolm that really stuck with me: find a reason to smile, or be the reason someone else smiles.
There's always a reason to smile.
To me, that means finding the light in darkness, having gratitude, and sometimes being the light for someone else in darkness. There's something beautiful about that message he left behind, and this is how I remember him now. Not only as Theo, but as a man that spread positivity, supported causes that gave people opportunities, and kept things in perspective. And that's something we can take from Malcolm. We all have the power to bring a little positivity into someone else's life. Happy birthday, Malcolm, and thank you.
All right, a bacon burger dog.
Find a smile for yourself and be a reason for someone else to smile.